Yes, good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yes. What is the title of our unit? What is the title of our unit? Humor. Humor means what? Humor means
Humor.
fun. Humor means what? Fun, comedy. We can say yes. So some humorous pictures. See, this picture is very humorous. Monkey looking into the mirror and also checking with its nose. So monkey standing in front of the mirror is really a big joke. Now we get laugh when we see such pictures. We get laugh. So, yes, the role of humor in our life. See, in our life, what is the role of the humor? Is it necessary or not? Is the humor necessary in our life? హాస్యం అనేది నవ్వు అనేది సంతోషం అనేది జోకింగ్ కామెడీ ఫన్ హ్యూమర్ ఇవన్నీ మనకి అవసరమా?
Yes, ma'am.
Or they all needed for us? Do we need them? Yes, fun is very important in our life కదా. సంతోషమే సగం బలం. హ్యూమర్ నుంచి ఫన్ నుంచి మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? వాట్ డు వి గెట్ ఫ్రమ్ హ్యూమర్? We get joy. We get joy, and through this joy we get good health. The person who is happy can have good health. సంతోషమే సగం బలం అంటారు కదా. సంతోషంగా ఉండే వ్యక్తి ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటాడు అని చెప్తారు. So everyone needs fun. So now let us go into the lesson. This is a funny story. The snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror. All of you keep your phones in mute. I am getting some sound, so you should keep them in mute. Okay? The title of the lesson is The Snake and the Mirror. The snake and the mirror. Let me give you model reading first. Prince, Prince. Come. Admit it.
Is nurse coming?
It's nice. Now admit. Thank you. Yes, let me give you model reading. All of you look into your textbooks. Turn to page number 3. The snake and the mirror. Has the snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. We listened attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. It was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. The sound was a familiar one. One could see that rats and I shared the room. I took out my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. The house was not electrified. It was a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. Along with some shirts and dhotis, I also possessed one solitary black coat which I was then wearing. So this is model reading. You should listen to this lesson again and again in YouTube and practice the same reading. Okay, the pronunciation, the pause, and everything should be same. Everyone should practice in the same way and you should produce it in tomorrow's class. Okay? Has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? See, how many of you have seen the snakes in your surroundings? Have you seen snakes in your surroundings? Children, have you seen snakes? Yes, because we are in the villages, because we are in the village surroundings, we can see snakes in the nature also. Sometimes they come near our houses, fields, roads also sometimes. But in cities, in big cities, if they want to see the snake, they should go to the zoo. They can't see the snakes in their surroundings. They have to go to the zoo to see the snake. So, this lesson is about a snake and the mirror. Mirror we all know. What is a mirror? What does it show? It shows our reflection. It shows our రిఫ్లెక్షన్ కదా. అద్దంలో ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? మన రిఫ్లెక్షన్, మన ప్రతిబింబం కనిపిస్తుంది. మనం ఎలా ఉంటామో అలాగ దాని రిఫ్లెక్షన్ అక్కడ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది కదా. వి యూజ్ మిర్రర్ టు సీ అవర్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్. సో మనం సరిగ్గా హెయిర్ స్టైల్ బాగుందా లేదా, మనకి పౌడర్ సరిగ్గా అంటిందా, మనం అన్నీ కరెక్ట్గా పెట్టుకున్నామా, సో దట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ we see, and daily we use the mirror. Now everyone, and especially the children like you who enter into teenage, they want to spend more and more time in front of the mirror. చాలా మందికి మిర్రర్ ముందే ఉండాలి అని ఉంటుంది టీనేజ్లో. దట్ విష్ దే విల్ హ్యావ్ మోర్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us see what is this snake and what is this mirror. So here let me explain you the first paragraph. Has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? Coiling, coil means చుట్టుకోవడం కదా. కాయిల్ మీన్స్ రౌండ్గా ఇలా స్ప్రింగ్ లాగా ఉండేటటువంటి దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? కాయిల్. ది స్నేక్స్ జనరలీ దే కాయిల్ అరౌండ్ tree, a branch, a stick, like that. They have that habit of coiling. So, has a snake ever means at any time. Take down the meaning for ever. Ever means at any time. Ever means at any time. Write down, at any time. Coiled. Coiled means moving around it. తెలుగులో మనం చుట్టుకోవడం అనుకుంటాం కదా. సో మూవింగ్ అరౌండ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ coiling. Tightly tightly fixing around a person. See, some snakes like what is it, python, కొండ చిలువ అంటారు చూడండి. అవి ఏం చేస్తాయి? వాట్ డు దే డూ? దే కాయిల్ అరౌండ్ ఎనీ యానిమల్ ఆర్ ఎనీ పర్సన్, అండ్ వాట్ డు దే డూ? దే స్క్వీజ్ టైట్లీ. After coiling around any creature, they tightly squeeze. Then what happens? All the bones will crush and the whole body becomes loose, smooth. So all the bones will be crushed. Then it swallows. Then it completely swallows that. మింగేస్తుంది అనమాట మెల్లిగా. అని చెప్పేసి లోపలికి అంతలాగా పీల్చుకుంటుంది. కొన్ని మీరు వీడియోస్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ వీడియోస్ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ ఆన్ టీవీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? సో నేచర్కి సంబంధించిన ఒక ఛానల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఏంటది?
Discovery Channel.
Very good. On Discovery Channel you can observe such things. So sometimes we can see such scenes even in the newspapers and some WhatsApps like that also. Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? See, we have so many parts. Sometimes some snakes they coil around the hands also. Some they coil around the leg also. Understand? And for some they coil around the neck also. Neck, kada? For some gods and goddesses also we see the snakes coiling around their neck. Can you name that god or goddess having this snake around the neck? ఎవరికో ఉంటుంది కదా, ఎవరో ఒక బొమ్మ, దేవుని బొమ్మలకి చూస్తా. లార్డ్ శివ, శివుడి మెడలో, లార్డ్ శివ మెడలో ఏముంటుంది? ఇది మెడలో చుట్టుకొని ఉంటుంది కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాయిలింగ్. A snake is coiled around the neck of Lord Shiva. So like that. So that is why here also the narrator, he is asking. The narrator means the one who tells the story is called narrator. So the narrator is asking the audience there, has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? మీ బాడీలో ఏదైనా ఒక పార్ట్కి, చేతికో, కాలికో, మెడకో ఎప్పుడైనా పాము చుట్టుకుందా? హ్యాస్ ఎ స్నేక్ ఎవర్ కాయిల్డ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ రౌండ్ ఎనీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బాడీ? డస్ ఎనీవన్ హ్యావ్ సచ్ అన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్? Here also in the class, do you have such an experience? No. Okay. That too, what is he asking? See, the narrator, what is he asking? A full-blooded cobra, not only some ordinary snakes, some small snakes, that also a full-blooded cobra. Cobra means which snake? నాగుపాము కదా. నాగుపాము అంటేనే భయం వేస్తుంది కదా, ఇలాగ పడగ విప్పుకొని ఇట్లా స్ప్రెడ్ చేస్తుంది దాన్ని కదా, నాగుపాము. కోబ్రా అంటే నాగుపాము. దట్ ఫుల్ బ్లడెడ్ కోబ్రా మీన్స్ అ యంగ్ కోబ్రా, మంచి కోడెనాగు అంటారు చూడండి, మంచి ఏజ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి చాలా పవర్ఫుల్గా ఉండేటటువంటి పాయిజనస్ స్నేక్ అన్నమాట ఇది. ఆ ఫుల్ బ్లడెడ్ కోబ్రా, అది కూడా ఆ పాము కూడా మామూలు పాము కాదు, ఏదైనా మంచి కోడెనాగు ఎప్పుడైనా మీ బాడీలో ఏదైనా ఒక పార్ట్కి చుట్టుకుందా? హ్యాస్ ఎ స్నేక్ ఎవర్ కాయిల్డ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ రౌండ్ ఎనీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ బాడీ? అ ఫుల్ బ్లడెడ్ కోబ్రా. See, these are questions. So you have to read them only as questions. The questions should be read as questions. Okay? Questions meekunte questions lage chadavali. Reading you observe very carefully how to read it. Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. The audience who are listening to the narrator means the one who tells the story is called narrator. So the narrator, when he asked the audience, all of us fell silent. They are saying that they all fell silent, all of them. They kept quiet. Silent means what? Quiet. Do you know the spelling for quiet? Q-U-I-E-T. Write this meaning or the synonym for silent. Silent, quiet. Silent means what? Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. There is another quiet is also there. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet is there. Its meaning is complete. But here Silent means quiet. Quiet. There is little difference in the pronunciation. Quiet, quiet. Quiet, quiet. So, so all of them they fell silent means they all sat silently. They did not give any answer. The question came from the homeopath. The question, T sound you should get for question. Question, you should not pronounce like that. The question, ta sound should come. The question came from the homeopath. Who asked this question? A homeopath. Who asked the question? Homeopath means homeopath doctor. Homeopath is a kind of medicine. It is a kind of medicine. You might have seen some white small balls. They give as tablets. Small medicine. Recently, one of our old students named E. Jairam Gaud, he started one homeopath clinic in our ISA, that is on Andhra Bank, above Andhra Bank, in the first floor of Andhra Bank it is there. Its name is Nova Homeopathy Clinic. So homeopathy is a kind of medical study, BHMS. That study is called as BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathy Science. Okay, medical science. So, homeopath. The question came from the homeopath. Who asked the question? The question was asked by the homeopath doctor. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. When did the topic come? The topic came up when they were discussing about the snakes. Sometimes we also discuss about the snakes. Sometimes we discuss about the dogs. Sometimes we discuss about the tigers, lions, devils. Sometimes we talk about the devils. So the topics, different topics we speak when we sit together and when we want to have some time pass or some free time. In free time we want to speak about some topics like that. So when they were speaking about or when they were talking about or when they were discussing about the snakes, the topic came. We listened attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. Tale, T-A-L-E, tale means what? Hey, wrong. Story. T-A-L-E, tale means what? Story. What is toka? T-A-I-L. Spelling is different. T-A-I-L, tail means toka. And this is not toka. This is T-A-L-E, tail. Not tail. Tail is different. Tail is different. So, some same sounding words, synonyms are there. Synonyms ante same sounding words anamata. Tail, tail. Quiet, quiet. So, two synonyms we got in this paragraph. Tale means story, tail means toka. Quiet means silent. Quiet, Q-U-I-T-E is there. Quiet means complete. Quiet means complete. Okay. So we listened. Listening means what are you all doing now? You are all listening to the lesson. What are you all doing now? Listening. So those children were also listening to the doctor. What type of doctor was he? Homeopath doctor. We listened attentively. Attentively means what? Attentively means With complete interest. With complete interest. Attentively. Attention. With attention. Attentive. With complete interest. చాలా శ్రద్ధగా తెలుగులో మనం శ్రద్ధగా అంటాం కదా సో లైక్ దట్ సో ఆర్ యు ఆల్ లిసనింగ్ అటెంటివ్లీ టు మై లెసన్
Yes,
very good as you are listening attentively those children see some topics we love very much we are very much interested in listening to some topics snakes అనగానే అందరూ అమ్మో చెవులు బాగా పెట్టి వింటారు పామ్ అన్నారు అనుకోండి అందరు అలర్ట్ అయిపోతారు కదా దిల్ బి వెరీ అటెంటివ్ సో సమ్ టాపిక్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ లైక్ ద డెవిల్స్ టాపిక్స్ ఏదైనా ఎవరైనా చెప్పారనుకోండి అదర్వైజ్ సమ్ న్యూ సినిమా న్యూ ఫిలిం ఏదైనా వచ్చింది అనుకోండి దాని గురించి చెప్పారంటే ఓ అందరు అలర్ట్ అయిపోతారు కదా attentive you listen to some topics very attentively so here also they listened attentively as the doctor continued the tale he started saying one story he started the homeopath doctor he was only the narrator who is the narrator here the homeopath doctor katha evaru cheptunnaru narrator sorry he is called as a narrator and who is the narrator homeopath doctor okay how he was narrating the story listen carefully ఎలా చెప్తున్నాడో కథ వినాలి సో you also have to write stories for your discourses see children you have some discourses like story writing interviews writing skits and also writing biographies writing speeches and writing newspaper reports so such type of discourses you have so you should learn how to write a story also so if you listen to these stories if you observe how the story was told then you too can try to write some stories understand so listen very carefully and observe how the narrator is telling the story it was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock he started his story like this it was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock what was it what season was it it was summer season what season was it summer season in which season are we now
winter.
rainy season now we are in rainy season this is not winter means chalikalam december january november december january that is winter now it is rainy season june july august september up to september this is all rainy season so we have different seasons like summer winter rainy autumn spring like that okay it was a hot summer means ఎండాకాలం కదా it is very hot that season will be always hot even in the night time it was hot it seems it was a hot summer night the night was also it was very hot that's why only in summer season many people they sleep outside they keep their cots outside and they sleep outside and some they on their air coolers now air coolers and some they buy the air coolers and AC rooms they sleep in the AC rooms like that so it was a hot summer night about what was the time what time of night was it 10 o'clock it was 10 o'clock nearly it was yeah just about to sleeping time I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room I had my meal I means who here I is referred to whom I means who here who is telling the story homeopath doctor the homeopath doctor was telling the story so I means who here homeopath doctor I had my meal he had his meal means what Food. Meal means what? Very good. Night meal is called supper. Good, very good. Night meal is called supper. Morning meal is called? What is the morning meal called? Very good. Breakfast. Morning meal is called breakfast. Have you all finished your breakfast?
Yes, madam.
Oh, you all may be having different breakfast. Okay. I had my meal at the restaurant. A restaurant means, see, that man was not cooking food at home, but he had his meal at a restaurant. A restaurant means hotel. Restaurant means what? Hotel. And returned to my room. See, after taking his meals in the hotel, he returned to his room and it was 10 o'clock. By the time he returned to his room, it was 10 o'clock. Okay? Then at that night time, what happened? See, I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. As I opened the door means when he opened the door, ఆయన ఎప్పుడైతే డోర్ తెరిచాడో, as means here it gives the meaning when he opened the door, what happened? He heard a noise from above. He heard a noise from above. పైనుంచి ఏం వినిపించింది? ఒక శబ్దం, నాయిస్ వచ్చింది. డోర్ తెరవగానే పైన నాయిస్ వచ్చేసింది, శబ్దం. Yes, sound. Noise means sound. The sound was a familiar one. The sound was a familiar one. Familiar means known. K-N-O-W-N. Well known. బాగా పరిచయమైనటువంటి దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? Familiar. కదా? The sound was a familiar one. Means రోజు వినిపించే సౌండే అది. He knows that sound already. Many times he heard the same sound. The sound was a familiar one. Familiar person అంటే వెల్ నోన్ పర్సన్, నీకు బాగా తెలిసినటువంటి వ్యక్తి, పరిచితుడు అంటారు కదా, పరిచయమైనటువంటి వ్యక్తి. పరిచయం లేనటువంటి వాళ్ళని అన్ఫెమిలియర్ అంటారు. స్ట్రేంజర్ అని కూడా అంటారు. స్ట్రేంజర్. ద ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ ఫర్ ఫెమిలియర్ ఈజ్ unfamiliar and also stranger అని కూడా వచ్చు. Stranger also you can say. ఒక క్రొత్త వ్యక్తి అన్నమాట. అపరిచితుడు అంటారు కదా మీరు, కదా, అపరిచితుడు అంటే stranger, strange person, unfamiliar person. The sound was a familiar one means this is known very well. The sound was known very well to him. Daily he was listening to such a noise. So one could say that rats and I shared the room. One could say that rats and I shared the room. See, because of that noise, if any person comes into that room, they will say, they can say that he and the rats have shared the room. He and the rats are sharing the room. ఆ ఇంట్లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు అంటే ఏమని చెప్తారు? There is a homeopath doctor and also many rats అని చెప్తారు. ఆ ఇంట్లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారంటే హోమియోపతి డాక్టర్ ఒక్కడే ఉంటాడని చెప్పరు. They don't say like that. They say that homeopath doctor and many rats. ఆ ఇంట్లో ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారంటే చాలా ఎలుకలు ఆ హోమియోపతి డాక్టర్ కలిసి ఉంటారని చెప్తారు. సో దట్ మచ్ the rats were that many in that room. I took out my box of matches. I took out my box because it was a night time. He entered the room and then he took out his box of matches. Means what? Matchbox. Box of matches means matchbox. Aggipette. Telusu kada? Yeah, I hope you all know matchbox. See, you lit the fire. You lit the fire with the matchbox and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. And he lighted with the matchbox, he lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. See, here you can see a kerosene lamp on his table. There is a kerosene lamp on his table. So nowadays almost all the rooms houses are electrified, so no need of kerosene lamps, but in olden days there used to be kerosene lamps కదా పాతకాలంలో ఇలాంటి కిరోసిన్ ల్యాంప్ లేదా లాంతర్ అనేవాళ్ళు అలాంటివి ఉండేవి కదా. ఎస్, కిరోసిన్ ల్యాంప్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్. వేర్ వాస్ ద ల్యాంప్? ఆన్ ద టేబుల్. సో హీ లైటెడ్ ద ల్యాంప్. Then what happened? See, the house was not electrified. Why he was keeping a kerosene lamp? Why he was lighting a kerosene lamp? Because that house was not electrified. That house was not electrified means it has no wiring and it has no electricity connection. It has no power connection. It has no power connection. No wiring was there. It was a small rented room. What type of room was it? It was a small room and it was a rented room. He was paying rent for it. He was paying rent for it. So it was a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. See, in that village, he took a small rented room and he started one medical practice clinic. ఒక చిన్న క్లినిక్ పెట్టుకున్నాడు ఆ ఊర్లో. ఏం చేశాడు? he set up means he established one medical practice clinic. హోమియోపతి క్లినిక్ అన్నాను కదా ఇందాక, మన ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్ ఒక అతను పెట్టుకున్నాడని చెప్పాను కదా ఒక క్లినిక్. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే దిస్ హోమియోపతి డాక్టర్ ఆల్సో స్టార్టెడ్ వన్ హోమియోపతి క్లినిక్ ఇన్ ద విలేజ్. And my earnings were meager. Earnings means earning of money. His earning of money was meager. Meager means very small. Meager means what? Very small. చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంది. అతడి సంపాదన ఎలా ఉంది? Very small. See, because he just started it. Why he was getting very little amount? Because he just started it. కొత్తగా ఏదైనా స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒకటేసారి చాలా డబ్బులు వస్తాయా? రావు కదా. సో because it was newly started, the clinic was newly started, the patients also may be less in number and they also may be giving very little amount, so that is why his earnings were meager means small, little. Okay, I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. Then he had, see, at that time he had about 60 rupees in his suitcase. He had a suitcase and in that suitcase he had 60 rupees. That was all he was possessing, along with some shirts and dhotis. And he also had in his suitcase, he also had some shirts. Shirts you all know, the tops, and also the dhotis. Dhotis means what? పంచలు కట్టుకుంటారు కదా, గోచి పంచలు కట్టుకుంటారు చూడండి, వాటిని ధోతీస్ అంటారు, ధోవతి అంటారు. ధోవతిలు ఉన్నాయంట. ఆ రోజుల్లో డాక్టర్ గారు కూడా ధోవతి కట్టుకుంటున్నారు. ఇప్పట్లాగా డాక్టర్స్ కోట్లు సూట్లు వేసుకున్నట్లు కాకుండా ధోవతి షర్ట్ వేసుకునేవాడు. I also possessed one solitary black coat and he also had one solitary black coat. Do you know the meaning for solitary? Solitary means single. In your glossary you have meaning. Solitary means single. Write down. Solitary means what? Single. Single means what? Only one. Single means only one. ఒక్కటే ఒక బ్లాక్ కోట్ ఉండింది. See, generally who wear the black coat? Which professional people wear the black coat? Lawyers, advocates, judges, Lawyers, advocates, judges, they wear the black coat to represent their profession. And doctors, what color coat they wear? Doctors,
White
which
color.
color? White. They have to wear white, but this doctor had a black coat, it seems. Quite opposite. Black coat. He had only one black coat, which I was then wearing. So then in those days he was wearing a black coat. He had only some shirts and dhotis, and he had 60 rupees in his suitcase. That was his possession in that room. And tomorrow, yes, then we go into the next paragraph. So far we have finished 3 paragraphs. The paragraphs are very small, and I am asking you to go through these 3 paragraphs. I'll give you one more model reading, and you all should observe it very carefully. Okay, after that I'll ask some 2 or 3 students to read the lesson. Okay, what is the title of the lesson? Children, what is the title of the lesson? The snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror. Now observe carefully how to read the lesson.
Mister.
Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath. Wherever there is full stop, see how I am pausing. Wherever there is question mark, how I am reading. Observe carefully. Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. The topic came up when we were discussing snakes. We listened attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. Tale you should read, not tail. You should read tale. It was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. The sound was a familiar one. One could say that rats and I shared the room. I took out my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. The house was not electrified. It was a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. Along with some shirts and dhotis, I also possessed one solitary black coat which I was then wearing. Okay? Is anyone willing to read? Is anyone ready to read? Sitaram Achari? Where are these girls? Beulah Rose is not there. Rosie is not there. Mubashira, are you here? Oh, they are all 8th class. Sorry. Okay. Now very few are here. Yes, Uday, why are you late, boy? Uday, you should not come late. Okay, Sitaramachari, read the lesson. Where is that boy? No text will say that small sentences also. Can't you speak in English? Ma'am, I don't have a textbook. Say. Ma'am, I don't have a textbook. Say, boy.
Ma'am, I don't have a textbook.
Very good. Learn like that. Next, any others? Ashwini Kumari, come on, read. Ashwini Kumari, read the lesson. Where is that girl? Simply joined and roaming somewhere. What about Karthik? Read the lesson, Karthik. Very good.
As a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body, a full-blooded cobra.
A full-blooded cobra? It's a question. See the question mark there. A full-blooded cobra. అది కూడా మంచి కోడెనాగు. Come on.
Full-blooded cobra. All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath.
Question. The question. T sound should come. The question came from the homeopath.
The question came from the homeopath. The topic came up. We were discussing speech. We listened attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. Once we heard someone night about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my from above as opened the door. The sound was a familiar one. I took out of my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. House was not I had just set up my medical practice. I had about 50 rupees along with some shirts and dhotis. Also possessed one solitary blackboard which was there wearing.
Wearing. Okay. So with this, let us close our class. Children, tomorrow you should practice and everyone should buy the textbook. So you can buy the textbooks outside and let us close our class. So the homework, you have to practice reading and then you should try to learn this first paragraph so that you can have some practice to speak in front of the audience. Understand? So that you can improve your skill of speaking before the audience. Learn first paragraph and practice 3 paragraphs for reading. Okay? So with this I am closing the class for today.